Hey y'all, what's up? I hope y'all doing okay. I know I am. So today, I'm gonna make us some bird dogs, chopped bird dogs, because I chopped my chicken up into pieces. As you can see, it's covered with seasoning already. These are the seasonings that I use. This is, sorry guys, a garlic ranch seasoning pack, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. And I'm just gonna blend this in on the chicken and let it sit for a little minute, and I'll come back and I'll fry it. um Bird dogs, in case you guys don't know, they are like hot dogs. I have hot dog buns here. They're sort of like hot dogs, but they're made with chicken tenders, bacon, cheese, and honey mustard. But ours today is gonna be with chicken, bacon, cheese, ranch dressing, and I have toppings like lettuce, tomato, pickles, onions, and some jalapenos for whoever want it. But y'all will see it set up in a little bit.